Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're doing beef ribs tonight on the KUDU Grill. I have not used my KUDU in quite a while. Pretty excited about that, but I've got some pretty good little rack of beef back ribs. And yes, beef back ribs are kind of hard to find around here. But got them inside. We're getting ready to go prep them up, get them on the KUDU. It's going to be a little bit faster cook. I've never done beef ribs like this before, so I really don't know how it's going to turn out. So come and join me for this ride, guys. Let's go prep these ribs. Alright guys, check out this beautiful rack of beef back ribs. Can't wait to get them on the grill. I didn't look at the weight on them, but it's just Mom and I think this is going to be more than enough food for us. One of the things that's been discussed on this channel is I've done beef ribs twice before. Both times I removed the membrane. And both times I got people suggesting that I leave the membrane on when doing beef ribs. So I'm gonna do that this time just as a trial. And even though I had zero complaints, I'm just gonna score them. Just so some seasoning can get up there. They did almost fall apart last time, so maybe this will protect it from that. So I don't know. We will find out. I don't know. We're going to score them this way too. Alright, there we go. Like a glove, my buddy Jerry got me some gloves. It says I need to wear gloves, and I'm giving her a shot. It might at least keep his hand clean. So guys, real simple for this cook, guys. Y'all know I love the SPG Plus butter from Gillaholics. That's all we're using on here, guys. I think that with that pecan wood smoke, open the right end here. I think we're gonna do these ribs justice. We will sauce them at the end, but yeah. Let's get this on. I don't want to go too heavy. I'll be a little generous with it. I want the flavor of that beef to come out. Alright, pat in, give this a turn, season the back real good. Guys, that fire is starting to come together. Get some good charcoal build up on it. We'll get this on there here shortly. Alright guys, come over and do a little fire management. This larger one I'm going to pull off over here. We need to keep some fire going here. Let's get our coals down here where we can cook on. I'm pretty excited here. We're going to cook over here on this half. We're going to keep the fire going over here on this half. Get our grate situated. I bet we're really good right here at this height. Maybe a little too low at the moment, but we're going to find out. There we go. Now this being a little faster cook, we are going to be flipping these a lot. So we're going to come back and let that cook there. We might have to lower the grates down some. That's fine, we'll do it. But we're going to try it out right here, see how we're doing. We'll come back and flip these about every 10-15 minutes, and that's our plan for this cook. Hey guys, it's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to come in here, give these guys a flip. Yeah, that's grilling up nicely. I might raise it back up here in just a couple minutes. I lowered the grate back down when you weren't looking, just because I didn't think it was hot enough, but I'll tell you what, I think we're plenty hot. I'm going to keep flipping these every 10-15 minutes, guys, and I'm not going to bore you with every flip, but I will show you as we progress. Alright guys, give this a flip. I think I'm going to raise the grate up because That's a little harder than I intended. Yeah, that's gonna be nice, I think. Yeah. See what that does for us. Okay, you see, I raised this up a little bit. Show you a trick to getting some extra smoke, even though we have no issues with smoke on this fire. Placing this dome over top of it kind of traps some of the smoke inside there. Alright, let's come on, give these guys a flip. Oop. About a flip and then scoot. We have flame. I definitely think we're going to be wrapping these soon. Definitely going to wrap these for sure. Yeah, we're 170. I'm going to wrap these guys up because I want to get these things super. You know, I don't know that I need to be honest. I'm just going to let them go. We're 170. I don't know if you can see that. 179. Then on the ends, it's getting tender. Man, I'm gonna keep this pace up, guys. We're just gonna let it go. Hey guys, I've changed my mind again. I decided I need to get these things really tendered up real quick. Yes, I said tendered. That's a word in Kentucky. There you go. And guys, for the sake of it, just getting some extra flavor started, I'm gonna hold them up if I can, and just pour a little bit of this G-Hughes. Come on, baby. Should have let it come down to room temperature first. Well, I don't need a whole lot here. Get some of this barbecue sauce down on the bottom. I'm going meat side down. Just start letting some of that flavor get into here. I'm going to give it a double wrap. Oops, that's a double wrap. I'm gonna go ahead and raise this up a little higher off of the fire. And I'm gonna put the lid on here just to try to create a little bit of an oven effect. Let's not forget about that proper fire management. Keep those coals good and centered. Got an extra log over here staying hot, coming charcoal. Yes, shouldn't be much longer. We haven't been on this fire, this cooking, very long. Alright guys, one thing about cooking over a campfire, it gets really smoky. And I'm trying not to add any more wood because I think we are there, guys. That is like butter. Let me come in. I'm gonna get this out of this foil, get her back on the grates, and we're gonna start saucing this. My fires, I'm starting to lose a little heat, and I don't want to add any more wood to it because I know we're close. Yeah, good lord, we're at 195, 200, 205 in places, but it's like butter inside of here. Get this out of the foil, get her on the back on the grate, and we're gonna start saucing this, guys. Look at that. Matter of fact, let me turn this around for you so you can see those bones. I want you to see those bones popping out there. Mom and I are about to feast. Alright guys, we're gonna come back in with some more of this G. Hughes barbecue and get it over here on the meaty side. We're gonna do this a couple times. Get a good glaze on here. And Mom and I are gonna go in and pig out. I'm gonna hit this up a couple times. I'll see you inside on the cutting board. Guys, would you look at that beautiful thing? My whole house smells like a campfire right now. And I love it. Let me get a few pieces off of here. Cut this up. This was just under a 2-hour cook. If it tastes half as good as it smells, I'll be very happy. Let's grab one of these down here. Grab one that's still attached, of course. Oh, it's hot. Oh my God. Would you look at that? Juicy. Man. Let me get Mama fed. We'll come back and we'll taste this. Alright? Alright guys. Look at that. I want to see how it pulls off, because this was not a low and slow cook by any stretch of the imagination. Look at that beef just pulling right off of that bone. Oh my God. There's a little crunch from the char we did early on. Oh my God. Another bite, guys. I'm pretty stoked about this cook, guys. Just under 2 hours what it took to cook this. I was scared I got a little too hot early on. I raised the grate up off the fire. We cooked this over pecan wood. I slowed the cook down. Ultimately around 175, depending on where I was on there. I wrapped this and took it on up to the 200 mark. 195, 200, depending on where I was probing, but it was so tender, guys. Oh my God. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Another bite. That pulled right off the bone, guys. That was awesome. For a 2-hour cook, that is awesome. The crunch from that original grill. I'm digging it. Guys, thank you so much. If you get a chance to do a cook like this, you can probably do, I did beef ribs, you can probably do some pork ribs the same way. Was there a gunshot outside my house? There was something outside my house. Or in the neighborhood. Guys, thank you so much. I know, it scared me too. I don't know what that was, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Do me a favor. Like this video if you like what you see. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. That helps us out so much, guys. Folks, I don't know what else to say. We've got more cooks to come. We're probably in the mid-spring. Yeah. We've got plenty of cooks to come. We cannot wait for the rest of this year, guys. Till next time, God bless ya. Bye-bye. Cheers to you.